In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the sprint end date or change the sprint deadline in Jira. If you're using Jira for managing your projects, you know how important it is to keep track of your sprints and deadlines efficiently. Sometimes plans change and you need to adjust your sprint schedules to reflect that. Let me guide you through the steps to make this process smooth and hassle-free. First, you need to navigate to the backlog of your Scrum project in Jira. The backlog is where all your ideas, stories, and tasks are organized before they are moved into sprints. It's your starting point in Jira when you want to make changes to your sprints. Next, once you're in the backlog, search for the specific sprint you want to edit. This step is essential because it helps you to focus on the exact sprint you're planning to update. Finding the right sprint ensures that you're making changes deliberately and accurately and prevents any confusion. Once you've located your target sprint, direct your attention to the right side of the sprint's name. There you will spot a three-dot menu, commonly known as an ellipsis. This is a usual sight in various digital interfaces, allowing additional options to keep the interface tidy and organized. Clicking on this ellipsis will open up a menu of further actions you can take. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Sprint. This option is specifically designed for making adjustments to your sprint settings. Accessing the Edit Sprint mode opens a new window where you can modify various aspects of your sprint, focusing here on the end date. In this new window, you'll see a calendar interface next to the End Date section. Go ahead and click on the current end date. This action reveals a calendar, enabling you to select a new date that better aligns with your updated project timeline. Adjusting the sprint deadline this way ensures that all team members are on the same page regarding the project's progress and expectations. Finally, with the new end date selected, look for the Update button. Click on Update to save your changes. This final step applies your adjustments, confirming the new sprint timeline for your project. It's critical to remember this step because if you forget to click Update, your changes will not take effect, and the sprint end date remains unchanged. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully modified the sprint end date in Jira. Remember, keeping your team informed of any changes in deadlines helps maintain project momentum and efficiency. I hope this tutorial was helpful in managing your projects better in Jira. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.